everyone, how the devil are you? So, it is day I've actually got no idea. That's not good, is it? Day 30. Day 30. Oh my god. So, I'm in Chamonix. No, actual Chamonix now. I came down yesterday. Look at this for a spot. Right. It's a bit noisy, the road there, but right near this lake, you've got the mountains in the background, which you can't see because I'm a great photographer. So yeah, with the tooth wise, I met this girl actually last night or yesterday. Went and had a few beers and stuff in the town and some food. Then she actually offered to ring like her dentist for me and book me in, so I got an appointment at 3:20. I think it's 3:20. Yeah, 3:20. It's down in the town, so I just got to go find it. Bit of a walk, but it'll be alright. So hopefully, and it's actually got better since I've been doing like the salt mouthwash. It's actually a lot better. So obviously it was infected, and that's been killing it, I guess. So yeah, should be alright, hopefully. Hopefully I don't have to have it out, because I mean, I'm not afraid to have it out or anything. It'll slow me down even more, because obviously then I'll have to wait for it to heal, which I suppose isn't a bad thing if I have to stay here for a bit. But I do kind of want to move. I want to like carry on with the trip and go find somewhere new. But yeah, like yesterday, I didn't take the camera again because I'm a weapon. From now on, I promise. I'm going to make a promise to myself and a promise to you guys. Whatever I do, I'll take the camera with me. I just need to make the effort and do it. I do wish it was a bit smaller, because it is kind of obnoxious, especially with the microphone and stuff. When I'm walking around with it, it looks like a flipping TV camera. So but oh well, I'm just going to take it from now on. Screw it. Yeah, it was sick last night. Really good actually. I was just in the town and it was really cool. Probably going to meet up with her later on and do something as well. I actually watched in here I was watching back some of my videos. I put them on my telly. I've not done that yet, so I watched them obviously while I'm making them, and that's the last time I see them. It was so funny watching them back. I only watched like 5 or 6, but that's exactly why I made them. It's brilliant, and that shows obviously that I'm comfortable with them as well now, because I can actually watch them and not cringe. I remember the other ones I was like, ooh, is that what I look like? But I don't know. So yeah, today I'm going to do some editing now actually. Well, I'll finish that video that I started making the other day. It's all gone a bit weird. So the video you're going to watch next is from like 4 days ago, whatever. Might as well put it on. It's a waste of footage otherwise, isn't it? When I go into the town, I'll take you with me this time. You can have a look around. It's really cool here actually. It's really nice. It's very strange because it's very, very touristy here. Like, it's completely different to what I've been doing the whole trip, but I'm meeting people and it's a different side to it, and I like it. It's good. A lot of English people here though. In front of me is English, behind like 4 vans, it's all English. There's Americans here, Spanish, Italian, everything. In fact, that one in front there has got a Scottish number plate. But yeah, it's all good. We're still having fun. Even though it's gone a bit weird, it's still fun. It's all part of the experience, isn't it? Right. Finish my coffee. Have another salt wash. Oh, my other friend has disappeared now. The older guy that I was chilling with before. He's peaced out now. I just missed him actually. Because I went back up to Latour to sort the van out and stuff yesterday before I came back down here properly. Yeah, just missed him. But it's been good. I learnt a lot from him. So if you're watching, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure. Didn't get a chance to say bye, so yeah, right, I'm gonna get on with some stuff and I will pick up in a bit. Right, it is time to go find this dentist, and this time I'm taking the camera. Some steam. Got Climbing Central over here. So good. Cost me €10. She was like, I'll do special price. I just got a list of stuff that I need to buy now from the chemist, antibiotics, whatever. I don't know how much that's going to cost. That's probably going to be the expensive bit. We'll see. But she said start taking these, and within 2-3 days it will go down, and I'll be able to open my mouth again. So that is a win. We are back to the crib. Oh. So yeah, what the dentist basically said was, because I can't open my mouth enough, I can only open it like half as much as normal. So she said, because you can't open it, I'll just put you on an antibiotics course for 10 days, which should clear it up, like it'll stop it hurting. Because she's given me, I've got 3 sets of tablets, got like antibiotics and then painkillers or anti-inflammatories. So she said after like 2 or 3 days I'll be able to open my mouth properly, and then it should be alright. I mean, if it, you know, she said just see what it does. Like if it starts getting worse, then obviously I'll just have to come and take it out. But she said if I need to take it out, she can do it in 3 minutes. So I'm not like afraid to take it out or anything. If that's what it needs, then that's what it needs, whatever. But I'd prefer not to, because obviously then it means I've got to hang around. So I'm just going to take these now over the next few days or 10 days. And see what happens. Basically, if I have to come back and do it again, then whatever. There's only 30 quid, I couldn't believe it. I was expecting it to be loads. The dentist only charged a tenner, or €10. She's like, special price because you're a new customer. Alright, I'm gonna have some food anyway. Figure out what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, pretty much. Right, we are moving. Met up with my friend again. Just gonna go drop her motorbike off and then go somewhere cool.
Are you liking it?
Going to a lake, I think. Right. This is why it's better to meet people when you're travelling. Oi, oi, oi. Because then they can take you to cool places.